20 healthiest food in the world. Coming in hot at number 20 is the OG superfood broccoli, the little green tree your mom begged you to eat. Packed with vitamin C, K, and fiber, broccoli isn't just a side dish. It's the main character in your health story. It's basically a natural detox for your liver. So eat up and your liver will thank you later. Number 19 is blueberries, aka nature's candy. These tiny blue powerhouses are packed with antioxidants that scream, bye-bye wrinkles. They're also great for your brain, so maybe eating a handful before that quiz wasn't such a bad idea after all. At 18, we've got almonds, the snack that makes you feel fancy even if you're in sweatpants. Full of healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E, almonds are basically the multitasker of the nut world. Pro tip, eat a few before a big meeting, instant energy, and zero loud chewing sounds. Number 17 is garlic. Sure, it makes your breath memorable, but it also makes your immune system unstoppable. Plus, who needs vampires around anyway? With Allison as its secret weapon, garlic's here to keep you healthy and your cooking legendary. Sliding in at 16 is sweet potatoes. These orange beauties are loaded with beta-carotene, making your skin glow like a K-drama star. Plus, they're basically dessert disguised as dinner. Sweet and healthy, that's a win-win. Number 15 is kale, the green that took over Instagram. Love it or hate it, you can't deny its superpowers. Kale is rich in iron, calcium, and vitamin C. But be warned, it's like cilantro. You'll either be its biggest fan or its biggest critic. At 14, it's the food that's practically a lifestyle, avocado. This creamy green fruit is full of healthy fats that keep your heart happy and your toast trendy. But don't blink while slicing it, or you might miss its perfectly ripe moment. Lucky 13 is quinoa, the king of grains, high in protein and gluten-free. Quinoa is basically rice's overachieving cousin. It's so nutritious, it'll make your salad feel like a Michelin star dish. At number 12 is spinach. Remember Popeye? He didn't bulk up for nothing. Spinach is full of iron and vitamin K, giving you superhero strength. Well, you will have enough strength to carry all those grocery bags in one trip. Coming in at 11 is salmon, the fish that's basically a personal trainer for your heart. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon keeps your brain sharp and your mood happy. It's like therapy, but tastier. We're halfway there with Greek yogurt at number 10. Packed with protein, calcium, and probiotics, it's your gut's best friend. Add some honey and berries and boom, dessert without the guilt. At number 9, walnuts. They look like brains for a reason. These nuts are loaded with omega-3s, making them the ultimate snack for memory and focus. They're basically tiny personal trainers for your heart and brain. So snack smarter, not harder. Number 8 is eggs. Versatile, nutritious, and always the star of brunch. With high-quality protein and choline for your brain, eggs are proof that great things come in small packages. Eggs are basically the Swiss Army knife of foods. Scramble, fry, boil, or just marvel at their shell game. Lucky number 7 is green tea. It's not just a drink, it's a lifestyle. Packed with antioxidants and a subtle caffeine boost, green tea will have you feeling calm and energized, if that's even possible. Antioxidants? Check. Metabolism boost? Check. A polite way to hydrate while pretending to be fancy? Triple check. Number 6 is the plot twist you've been waiting for. Dark chocolate, rich in antioxidants and mood-boosting compounds. It's proof that healthy eating can be deliciously sinful. Just don't eat the whole bar, or do. I won't judge. Cracking the top 5 is turmeric, the spice that gives curry its golden glow. With anti-inflammatory properties and a knack for making food Instagram-worthy, turmeric is the MVP of the spice rack. With anti-inflammatory properties, it's like a magical potion for your body. At number 4, chia seeds. These tiny black seeds are like nutritional fireworks, high in fiber, protein, and omega-3s. Add them to your smoothie or pudding and watch them magically expand like your potential. At number 3, lentils, the humble legume that's secretly a powerhouse of protein and fiber. Lentils are like that quiet kid in class who turns out to be a genius. Who needs steak when you've got these little power pellets? Runner-up is apples. You know what they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Full of fiber, vitamin C, and crunch satisfaction, apples are the health equivalent of a comfy hoodie, always reliable. And finally, at number 1, it's the unsung hero of all health. Water. Yep, the most basic, underrated, and essential food. Well, technically drink. It hydrates, detoxifies, and keeps everything in your body running smoothly. The human body is made up of over 70% water, so raise a glass to your health, literally. Whether you're sipping it plain, infused with fruits, or sparkling like champagne, water is the real MVP. And that's it, folks. The top 20 healthiest foods in the world. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any Jimmy Baller's 20 super content. Until next time, stay hydrated and stay awesome.
Bye.